yeah, the project.
The project. Well,
Right.
nothing specific now. We just have to figure out who to do what. And that'll be fine.
Yeah.
Well, the reading was pretty easy, so I guess.
Yeah, it really wasn't much different than the stuff
Yeah.
we've done.
So let's just get
New
started.
letters to deal with.
Yeah. So I can get back and watch a game and see Cap lose. Heartbreaking. Okay, starting.
Alright, so number 3.
Size represents category.
Okay, so I got number 3. Got the second one.
Yeah, each slide represents category.
Yep. Category and slides represent the proportion. That one.
Number 4 is the third choice.
Yep. So the true proportion is the one without the little thing on top, without the head.
Hat. The
True proportion is the P without a head.
True
okay,
proportion.
for number 5 would be true proportion.
Yes.
N is the sample size.
Yep. Bigger than 10. Man, I hate calculation. Ugh. I love the feeling you just plug the numbers in the spreadsheet and they get everything
Yeah.
to you. So we're looking for a number. So let's create this equal. So we need to be bigger than 10. So 10 times 1 minus p equals n. And p is a fourth of a quarter. So 1, divided by 1 minus 0.25.
40?
No, because there are 2 requirements, and the second one is n times 1.
Okay.
That one, you need to calculate that one.
You have to calculate both of them.
That number is smaller.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, you're good. So 10 about 0.75.
So 40 would work, right? If the second number, if you did it like that, and you get 13.33.
Yeah.
So the smallest number would be 40, because you have to pick the bigger one, right?
Yep.
So that it satisfies both of them.
4?
40.
40.
Is that right? Am I right? I don't know. I'm guessing.
1 minus p is 1.25.
Oh, Yeah, because if 1 minus p is 0.75,
Yeah, 13 point something, and that one's is yeah, that one it will need to be 40. You're right.
okay.
It was the mean of p hat. That'll be 0.4.
No.
So p is 0.4 times 1 minus
1
0.4.
minus.
And then divided by 24.
Yeah.
Where is it? So standard deviation is 0.19.
Let's say
So what you guys get?
I'm
I got
still working on it.
Are y'all putting 3 places for the decimal?
Say it again?
Are y'all putting 3 places for the decimal?
It never happens that we need to use three places.
So I need to in this one?
Because the formula is square root of 0.4 times in parentheses 1 minus 0.4 over 24. So 0.4.
I got 1 point. I got 0.16. I think I did it wrong.
4.
I got 0.16 repeated, but I think I did it wrong.
Oh. Just this, do you get the standard deviation of p hat in the
That's
reading?
what I'm following the formula, but I could.
Yeah, you just do the inside first. You just ignore the square root first,
Yeah.
and you
Okay.
do 0.4 times parentheses 1 minus 0.4. And you get 0.24. You divided it by 24, and you get 0.01. And then you
Okay.
square root that one, and then you get 0.1. And that's the standard deviation of p hat.
0.1.
Yep.
No, 9. Oh, okay. That's what I got the first time, and I thought you said 1.9, and so I thought I did it wrong, so I did it again.
Oh, 0.1.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
The probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next pass.
I got 10 is 0.4, right?
So again?
10 is 0.4, right? It's just 8.
Well, yeah, 8 is 0.4.
Oh, 8?
Yeah,
Right.
number 8 is 0.4.
Oh.
10. Oh, sorry, that's 0.3.
What is P?
No, that's number 10 is 0.3.
Yes, that's what he said.
Oh.
Do you have to put the zeros afterwards? Deviations.
Oh no, that's not it.
Are we doing it wrong?
I think so.
It's x
No,
over
no, no,
n
no,
equals
no.
x over n equals p hat. But what's x?
No, cause like her battling average is 0.3, but we're trying to determine the probability that she will get more than 35
Okay.
in the next 100. So you need to take it down to the z-score, that one first. You gotta calculate the z-score.
Yeah.
So,
Over
man, I hate calculating. Where's my pencil? Okay, right here. Okay, so value minus mean, which is 0.35 minus 0.3 over the standard deviation, and p is 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3, and then over 100, and square root it. Okay, so we got 0.05 over the standard deviation, which is 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3, and then divided by 100, and then square, which is 0.0458, and then
0. That would
0.05 divided by that,
well
which
no.
is 1.091.
What are you doing? Which number did you just do?
Standard deviation is 0.46, right?
No,
Yes.
let's say it again.
0.046. The standard deviation was 0.046.
Yep,
Okay.
it's somewhere around there.
Now, he
And
had
then
0.35, is that right?
I lost the number already. What?
Yeah. P hat is 0.35, isn't it?
Yes. No, p hat. Yeah, p hat is 0.35. 0.35. That's the value,
That's what I thought.
and then 0.3 is the mean.
So
So I
is,
got a score of 1.091.
yeah.
wait. So when you work that problem, if p hat is 1.35, the standard deviation, never mind, I just figured it out.
Wait. The p hat is 0.35, not 1.35.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
But you don't need that when you find the standard deviation, do you?
Oh no, you're looking for the z-score.
Okay, well, the first, in number 11, you're looking for standard deviation.
Yep, and that's 0.046
Yes.
ish.
Where is that silly chart?
So for number 13, is it 13.8% or 86.2%?
So
And then divided by that. Okay. And then you divide it by the standard deviation. Right. 5 minus 0.3 equals 8.04. So the z-score, so what we're looking for.
yep, the
The
z-score.
z-score, it's 1.8.
Yes, 1.091.
1.091. Okay. Did you round your standard deviation when you put it in there, or did you just use that formula?
It's the same.
Well, I rounded it, and I got 1.086.
86.
Well, that's just because I rounded it instead of using more. I think you used it more digits than I did.
Yeah, I just cap it, so
Get into it.
maybe I shouldn't.
Yeah. All right. What is the probability? Where's that applet?
Okay, if we run it, it'll be 1.87.
That's what I got.
1.0x.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes. What did you put?
Then it will change the probability to 0.139.
139? 139.
Because if you put 1.0x7 in the normal probability applet, the area will become 0.1385. That will make it into 0.
Right. So which one are we going with? I mean, is it get frustrated when you miss it just because you missed it by a couple of decimal places? So are you using 1.091 then in your applet?
No, I'm just sticking with running to 3 decimal places.
So the probability, what you're putting is the 13.9.
Yeah, 139.
Did he just? Oh, he's frozen.
I'm back.
Oh, there you go.
Well, it is
There's
1.091 if when we're calculating the standard deviation, if we keeping all the digits instead of running it to 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
But if we run it to 3 decimal places, it will be 1.087.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's 13.9%.
Okay, standard deviation of t hat 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 divided by
Can you hear me?
2,000.
Yes.
So number 13 is 0.139, right?
Number 13 is 0.139. Yes.
Cool.
2,000.
Okay. I got the standard deviation of 0.11. 0.011.
0.011. Yes.
4 is -1 point. Now that's using the accurate number.
The big number.
Okay, so the C score is negative 0.182.
The z-score is negative.
Yep. I got negative 0.182.
What did you get? Sorry? I got negative 1.79.
What did... no.
What probability do you compute using the normal probability? What? I have no idea what this was talking about.
What z-score?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, what is that?
Did y'all get negative 1.79?
1.79. I got
I got one. Wait, negative 1.79?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, what did you use? Did you just use the 3 digits, or did you use the whole?
But it should be close, right?
Yeah,
Well,
that's the problem. Is
Yeah.
close is close wrong, or is close okay?
Well, what did y'all get? I mean, we'll use the 3 decimals.
If
Well,
you
we got
use the
1
3 decimals, you get negative 1.182.
No, just 1.82.
1.82. Yes. I keep throwing these ones in there. Yeah.
The negative 1.82?
Yes. 'Cause, see, if you use more than 3 decimals, then you get your number. So.
Yeah. I'm hoping that it's just the 3 decimals.
This is the part that I really hate about it.
Yeah.
Like, it asks you to run everything to 3 decimal places, but it doesn't happen in a calculator.
Yeah.
Right. Well, and a lot of times it just tells you to round the answer. That's the problem. So if you're using the answer from number 14 as part of your equation to get number 15,
And it screws it up.
then you're wrong. But if you
If we get it wrong, we can. I mean, we obviously have the answers here. We could
Yeah,
just-
well, I would just let him know
yeah.
that's the case.
Yeah, because I'm using an Excel sheet, so it's 100% accurate.
Oh, okay. Well, then we can use your numbers. What? I don't understand what number 16 is. What's the big
Which
Z, little
probability do
Z?
you compute using the normal probability compute? Oh, we're using the smaller than. Because we're using the left-hand side of the applet instead of the right-hand side.
Okay. I didn't understand what it was asking me.
Is that everything?
Did you put in your last Z-score?
For the last one, I got 0.034.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, who wants to go first this time?
I'm nervous.
No, I'm worried about those. I mean,
all those numbers.
those 2
with all
problems.
I'll turn it in and we'll talk to him. And those are wrong.
Okay.
Let's see. We got one wrong. It was number 15.
Yeah.
You got number 15 wrong?
Yeah. Y'all can try negative 1.79. That's what I got for the
All
accurate.
right. I'm trying it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you were right.
Okay. I'll just send him an email. I mean, we have a
Yeah,
video.
but all the rest are right. Then
Yeah,
that's
everything's
weird.
okay.
11 and
The other ones
12.
were enough, but that one was a little off.
All right, what are we, oh, okay, so what are we doing on this project?
Man, freaking hate this. Okay, so we got final project. I'm just gonna type our name in. Okay, so design a study, and then we all have to collect our own data, and then we got describe the data, make inference, take action.
So are we all studying the same thing?
Well, our whole group actually, what will happen is our whole group will come up together with a study topic, and then
Okay.
one of the guy will write details of how are we going to study the topic, or how are we going to collect data and stuff like that.
Okay.
So there are actually just 5 names here. So one, and the others just do whatever other things.
Okay.
So there's 7 steps there, you see?
Yeah, I see. Down towards the bottom, so we just need to figure out who's doing.
Yep.
Well, oh. Right. So all right. What week is this one due? Right. This one is due
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay.
So you want to do what?
Step 1.
All right. You want me to do step 1?
Sure.
I'm fine with whoever.
Yeah.
And
All right.
I will write them.
All right.
I'll do step 3 then.
What are we studying? I will email it to both of you, or to all
Yeah,
three
we
of
can
us.
talk about it.
Yeah.
We can just brainstorm it a little bit and then talk about it on Thursday. I'll come up with an idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's that?
We should study M&Ms so that we can eat M&Ms.
That will actually be
I don't know.
like how many colors of each of those M&Ms? Like how many?
Yeah.
Like the number of the
Actually,
colors in the back of M&Ms.
You know what? With that one, they do say on their website what the proportion of colors per bag is supposed to be.
Well, let's do that one. I like that one. M&Ms.
Okay.
Well, you think about it and write something up and just give it to me or whatever.
Okay. I mean, does that fit our parameters? What are we supposed to be studying?
Well,
exactly,
anything.
You know?
Really anything.
Anything.
Yep.
You could branch out and do Skittles too. No.
No.
I kind of want some candy right now. Can you tell?
Like chocolate better.
Yeah. All right. Well.
So, Catherine, you're doing step 1.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
I'll do step 3.
Do step 3. Step 3. Describe the data. Okay. And
So
write
anyway,
here for make inference.
we all have to collect our own data, so we all have to buy M&Ms.
Yep.
Okay.
10 bags each.
How many?
10 bags each.
Okay. Yeah, because you have to have a minimum.
I think that would
right?
be a fair amount. Like we just have to eat 1 bag a day, like every 2 days. So that's not that bad.
You don't have to eat them if you don't want to.
Well, we can share. I mean, but man, it's M&Ms. So, well, anyone want to take one more? Or no?
Well, on let's send an email out to Jordan
Jordan?
and see what he wants, so we can put his name in on. I mean, do we have to turn names in today?
No,
Oh, it doesn't say.
Okay.
I think this is Saturday. Because I think
Yeah.
this entire document's part of the design of the study.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, then I will just. But Catherine, I think you have something due
On Saturday.
on
Right.
Saturday. But is it this Saturday?
Yes. Because it's week 8. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, yep. So this Saturday, then yeah, just write up something
Well,
or
okay.
whatever.
So I have a question though, because it says take action. Are we just supposed to?
Well, we can come up with something.
Take action.
Okay.
One of the steps.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, like you'll be like, I never eat M&Ms again.
Because I want more blue ones.
Yep.
They lied to me about the blue.
Well, and yeah, we can go online and search for the data for what the proportion is supposed to be too.
Yeah, because I believe
And make it
it's
that, and that'll be fun. That'll be actually be fun.
yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. We'll
Alright.
see you on Thursday and
Yep.
have fun.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks.
Good night.